This is the Kioke Aronson welding positioner. The elevation is obviously a manual adjustment. You physically have to pull the pins out, pick the unit up with a heavy piece of equipment, and you can adjust the height on the legs. That is not, like I said, it's not powered. So we'll go through some other basic functions. You have a selector switch for either the pendant control or the foot pedal, and you have the variable speed functions and all the basic stuff on the pendant. The foot pedal is just, it makes it go around. It's forward and reverse. So let's go ahead and work the pendant quick, and we'll just show you some stuff. So that's slow variable speed, speeding up. That's full speed.
Rapid.
I'm sorry. That's the rapid speed right there.
And reverse.
Going into reverse. Take the tilt pretty far down. Go the whole range if we can. And that's on the limit switch, so that they work. And then we can tilt that back. And then if we just switch to the foot pedal, and then the foot pedal is just a forward and reverse switch. You still have to adjust the speed through the pendant control. And that's how that all works. If there are any questions, feel free to ask.